Hey guys, Melissadunn here with the Melissadunn Realty team, and I'm here today with Ashley from My Credit Guy. Ashley, My Credit Guy is a credit repair solution, and I'm so thankful for you being here today. Can you tell me a little bit about yourself and a little intro on who My Credit Guy is?
Absolutely. So yes, my name's Ashley. I am here at My Credit Guy. I am on the Parker team. So Sam and Trisha are the owners of our company. They really built this company up from the very beginning. And so I'm on Sam's team. I work with all of his referral partners, and I also work with clients on getting them information about our program and how we can help. And really we like to think of ourselves as an extension of the home buying process. So you start off with your loan officer and your realtor. You may need credit help, so you kind of take a little detour with us, and then our goal is to get you back to that team as quickly as possible.
Awesome. Okay. Very cool. Well, Ashley, let's go ahead and jump into the questions. Does that sound good to you?
Yeah, for sure.
Awesome. Okay. So first, let's talk about what is credit repair. What exactly do you guys do? Give us a little information on what exactly credit repair is.
Yeah, absolutely. So we typically we get clients that are typically sent to us from their referral partners, and what they're usually trying to do is qualify for a home purchase, refinance. Their lender's going to pull credit, and they're going to realize that there's some things that are keeping them from moving forward. So typically, it's a lower credit score. Each program has individual qualifications. So certain loan programs, you have to have certain scores, and so if you're below that, that's how we typically will that's how we'll typically get clients. And then also clients who have things on their credit report that are keeping them from moving forward. So collections, charge-offs, maybe there's a repossession, bankruptcy. It's either going to be a score that's keeping you from moving forward, or something on the credit report, some sort of item that's keeping you from moving forward.
Awesome. Okay. So tell me a little bit about who is credit repair for?
So credit repair is for people, like I said, that have those derogatory items on their credit report that they need help with. So like I said, collections, charge-offs. And the difference between collections and charge-offs are collections are typically sold from the original company. So you have a medical payment, it went late. Typically the medical center that you went to doesn't keep that debt. Usually they sell it to somebody else, and so then that's a collection agency. Charge off is when it's still held by the original creditor and it's still showing up on your credit report. That's just a little bit of information so you kind of know what the differences are, but those are things that we typically help with. A lot of times things report inaccurately, so they either have a worse rating than what they really should, or they're just not reporting correctly. So those are also things that we help clients with. We can also help them establish positive lines. So credit bureaus really like to see 2 positive lines of credit on people's credit reports. So those are things like revolving credit cards, store cards, secured cards, that kind of thing. And along this whole process, we're also going to teach you about credit, because it's not something that you're really taught in school a lot. A lot of people don't know proper ways to use their credit cards, and how important on-time payments are. I mean, an on-time payment can keep you from moving forward, a late payment can really keep you from moving forward in a lot of situations. So not only are we here to help fix past mistakes, but we're here to help you and set you up for a future of really, really great credit, and giving you the tools so that you can move forward and you don't ever need us again for our services.
Awesome. Yeah. And I can attest personally, we did the Dave Ramsey plan where we paid off everything and then we didn't touch our cards for years. And then I needed a new car. Yep. And we found out very quickly how little we knew about credit. And so I can attest for you guys personally, helping educate, even, being in this industry, you guys still taught me some things that I needed to know, and you helped us out. So I can vouch for you. We like you. So tell me a little bit about who is credit repair not for, and what are the expectations that we should have?
Absolutely. So credit repair is not for people who think that we just wave a magic wand and everything's solved for them. It's really going to be important to listen to your credit coach and do everything that they tell you. You know, it's going to take, we're here for you. We're here to walk you through the process. We're going to tell you what we're doing, why we're doing it, why our way's going to be easier for you, but you also have to do what we tell you to do and make sure that you follow that plan, because it's going to be us holding your hand, but again, we need your help in order to complete the process. So you have to be all in. You can't be a little bit in, kind of hoping how it's going to go. You know, this is, you're trying to achieve that dream, or achieve the dream of home ownership. So if you really, really want it, you got to be all in, just the way that your credit coach is.
Yeah, very, very true. So tell us a little bit about how much does credit repair cost? And are you a legitimate business?
Absolutely. So most of our business comes from our referral partners. We don't do a lot of marketing, advertising. We've really built our reputation on our referral partners trusting us with our clients and us getting them back to them as quickly as possible. So that's what makes us different. We're not like your typical credit repair company. What we do is we do dispute accounts for you, but we don't blanket dispute, which is basically like sending out a letter that says the same thing for every single account. We actually use the Fair Credit Reporting Act and the Fair Debt Collection Practices Act in our disputes. That's one thing that makes us different. Another thing is that usually after 1 to 2 rounds of those disputes is when we move on to helping you work directly with those collection agencies and creditors in getting pay for deletions and settlements. A lot of your typical credit repair companies just keep sending those letters over and over and over again. And all it does is create this huge hole that's hard for everybody to get out of. And that's why we have so much success. And that's why our clients are usually only with us anywhere from 2 to 5 months. Now, when it comes to pricing, it's going to depend a little bit on everyone's individual situation. You know, if you only need a couple points, a handful of points here or there, you're only going to be with us for a couple of months. So the cost is going to be a little bit less. If you need a little bit more extensive credit repair, it's obviously going to take a little bit longer. You're going to have to be with us for those extra months. But the nice thing is that when we do a free review of your credit report, we let you know exactly how long we think it's going to take you to get the points that you're looking for. So you know exactly what you're getting into. Typical pricing, we either divide it into either an individual or couple. And what also sets us apart is that clients don't pay anything upfront. When you sign up with us, let's say you were to sign up today, your first bill with us is not due until 30 days later. So you're going to see all the work that we're doing for you. You're actually going to start to see some movement on your credit report before you even pay us that first bill. So it's actually illegal to charge somebody before you've done credit repair. We're one of the only credit repair companies that actually follows that rule. But typical pricing that gives you the most flexibility is usually going to be $3.99 for an individual or $6.99 for a couple. After that, it just drops down to a monthly fee for as long as you need us. $89 for an individual, $109 for a couple. The nice thing is once you're in those $89 and $109 a month payments, you can cancel at any time. So you're not roped into, a 6 or 12 month contract with us. Whenever we decide, or, we all collectively agree that you're ready to move on, we'll cancel you out. You don't owe us anything more. We also do have additional plans so we can help break up that initial cost. For some people, we know it can be a little bit more than what your budget can handle. So we'll offer you that pricing based on when we actually talk to you. The main point is there's no extra cost for wanting to spread out those payments, and there's no differences in the services. So no matter if you do the one payment on day 30 and then the monthly fee after that, or if you split it up into 4 payments and then fall into that monthly fee, you're getting the same exact service with us.
Awesome. And I do find that, during the lender portion of this series, we talked a lot about the loan consult. And I really do feel like you guys consult your clients and really help them make sure that they're making the right decision. And if it's not a good fit, you tell them we're not a good fit for you.
Exactly. Yeah. So when we look at your credit report, we're going to be really honest and upfront. If we think you can achieve the points you're looking for through some simple actions on your own, we're going to give you that free advice and send you right back to your loan officer or to your realtor. So we're really honest and upfront about that. And if there are things we know we can help you out with, like late payments. Late payments are really hard to remove off a credit report, and we don't usually like to bring on somebody that only has late payments. So if that's all you have, typically, like I said, we just give you some free advice. But if we think you're a good fit, we're going to let you know. We're going to give you those expectations so you know exactly what you're getting into.
Awesome. Well, Ashley, I feel like we covered pretty much everything we needed to cover really effectively. Is there anything else that you feel like we should know, or do you feel like we covered it also?
I think we covered it really well. Again, I always just like to stress the importance of a free review. There's no
Yeah.
obligation. You know, if anything, it's just like a credit checkup. See how you're doing. Again, we'll give you advice if you need it, and we're not pressuring you to sign up. If we think you're a good fit, we think we can help you, we're going to let you know. But ultimately, it's up to you. Like I said, you have to be in on it too in order for it to work. So.
Yeah, awesome. Well, Ashley, thank you so much. This again is Ashley with My Credit Guy. She will be part, or someone from her team will be part of the private Facebook group. So if you have a question in regards to credit, or if you'd like more information on how to get your free credit consultation, then just give us a call.
Awesome. Thanks so much.